Good morning students. Let's discuss the second revision video for the topic case studies part second under chapter staffing students. So let's discuss the case studies students of the next part or the next half part of chapter staffing. Students, this is supposed to be the very first case study, right? It comes under CBSE sample paper 2014 and the very first case study is of 4 marks. So let's discuss the very first case study students. Students, first of all, in the very first case study, read the last line. As I told you, each and every time to solve the case study, you have to read the last 2-3 lines so that you are enabled कि किस टॉपिक पूछा गया है और कौन सा चैप्टर इसके अंदर आया है. So suggest what can be done to develop the skill and abilities of employees for producing high quality products by using high tech machines. Also state how the employees or the organization will benefit from your suggestion. Right students? So let's discuss the case study students. Blue Heavens Limited, a new high-tech machine from Germany for manufacturing high-quality auto components in a cost-effective manner. But during the production process, the manager observed that the quality of production was not as per standard. On investigation, it was found that there was a lack of knowledge amongst the employees of using these high-tech machines. So frequent visit of engineers was required from Germany. This resulted in high overhead charges. Suggest what can be done to develop the skill and abilities of employees for producing high quality product by using these high-tech machines. Also state how employees or organization will benefit from your suggestions. Of course, students, this case study is referred for training of employees, right? Training of employees students आपने पढ़ा है chapter staffing के अंदर. So training of employees and the benefits to the organization or employees. What are the benefit of training to the organization or employees? There are two topics that you have learned, you have studied in the staffing chapter. यहाँ पर जो पूछा गया है also state how employees or the organization will benefit from your suggestion. Now what are the suggestion you have to give in so that both the organization and the workers will get benefited. Now the answer is training to employees. So training to employees students, better career. With the help of training, the employees acquire new knowledge and new skill which increases their market value. Second is more earning, increased performance by an individual helps him to earn more. Third is more efficient, training makes the employees more efficient to handle machine, leads to less accidents. Fourth, increases morale, training increases the satisfaction and morale of employees. Essential for new employees. Training is required to make new employees learn the required job knowledge, skill and methods. So these are the points you have to write down for training of employees. I hope students this case study is very much clear to you. Now come to the next case study students. Second case study students. Now on the second case study, this is supposed to be the case study CBSE 2018 में आई हुई है, 6 marks में आई हुई है students. Let's discuss the last 2 lines. Name the steps of the staffing process regarding which the company decided to take action. State the benefit of the action to Moga Industries Limited. I hope students it is very much clear to you. इन्होंने staffing का एक process पूछा है, right? From the staffing chapter, this case study. So let's discuss the case study. Moga Industries Limited approached a well-established university in the city of Madurai to recruit qualified personnel for various technical and professional jobs. They select Tanya, Ritu, Garima and Chetan for various vacancies in the organization. After the selection and placement, Moga Industries Limited felt the need to increase the skills and abilities and the development of positive attitude of the employees to perform their specific jobs better. The company also realized that learning new skill would improve the job performance of the employees. Hence, the company decided to take action for the same. Right, students, I hope it is very much clear to you that this case study is related to staffing और जो उन्होंने staffing का एक process पूछा that is relating to training and development. Right, students, so what do you mean by the term training and development? Training may be defined as the step for increasing the knowledge and skills of the workers for the definite purpose. The workers are provided facilities to learn new skills, technical knowledge and attitude towards the work. The basic purpose of training is to bring about a change in the behavior of the workers, and it is concerned with increasing skill, in doing a specific job. Now, development, it is concerned with the growth of an employee in all respect. It is a process by which managers acquire skill and competency in their present job and also capabilities for future tasks. Of course, students, training is related to present period and development is related to future period. And the second state, the benefit of the action. Benefit of training to Moga Industries Limited. That's what are the benefits of training, students? Reduce learning time, higher profits, develop future managers, better performance, and minimizes supervision. You have already learned and you have already known the benefits of training and development. Right, students, I hope this is very much clear to you. Now come to the third case study, student. Third case study, CBSE 2018, 4 marks में आएगी ये बेटा, right? Then come to the last A point or B point. Name the method of training discussed in the above para. Third case study के last में लिखा हुआ है method of training. Of course, students, you know now that there are two methods of training: on-the-job training methods and off-the-job training methods. State any three benefits which David could get on being trained. What are the benefits of an employee after getting the training, students? Right. So let's discuss the case study, student. After passing his secondary school examination, David left the school at the age of 15 years and started getting training under his father. His father is a renowned electrician, hard work for many companies. He every day started accompanying his father on work and watched him carefully while working. David was a good learner and learned the techniques of work quickly. Now his father started passing on the tricks of the trade to David. With the passage of time, David acquired a higher level skill and became a well-known electrician in Indore. Big business houses start calling him for electrical wiring. I hope, students, this is supposed to be the case study of related to the methods of training, and apprenticeship training program is very much applicable here. Under the guidance of a master worker, the trainee works and learns. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर मास्टर वर्कर उसके फादर है और उनके अंडर में वो काम सीख रहा है, काम लर्न कर रहा है और उनको काम करते हुए देख रहा है. सो लेट डिस्कस अप्रेंटिसशिप ट्रेनिंग, स्टूडेंट्स. This program put the training under the guidance of a master worker. These are designed to acquire a higher level of skill. Plumber, iron worker and electricians are often required to undergo this training. Generally, the time period of this program may vary from 2 to 5 years and the training is paid less than a fully qualified workers. I hope, students, it is very much clear to you. And then the benefits which David could get on being trained. Right, students? So, better career, more earning, more efficient, increase morale, essential for new employees. I hope this is the benefit which the David can get from his father. I hope, students, this case study is very much clear to you. Now come to the next case study, students. Now, students, let's come to the fourth case study. And the right hand corner, CBSE 2019, 4 marks. Last year, students, ये क्वेश्चन आया है CBSE 2019 में और 4 marks का क्वेश्चन है. Let's discuss the case study. Of course, let's discuss the A point and B point. In the A point, quoting the lines from the above paragraph, explain the two sources of recruitment being used by Ganesh for filling up the various job position. Two sources of recruitment. Now, students, from this point, it is very much clear that it is a case study of chapter staffing and sources of recruitment has been asked. Now, there are two sources of recruitment. The very first source of recruitment is, you know very much, external source of recruitment. And the second source of recruitment is internal source of recruitment, student. Now, come to the B part. Also give the meaning of the function of management discussed in the above cases. Right, students? So, let's discuss the case study. Ganesh was concerned about the sedentary lifestyle people are leading nowadays. Their dependency on outside food is also increasing because corporate work culture demands working till late night at offices. So he decided to start a restaurant, Healthy Eating Point, to provide healthy food options to customers. After completing planning and organizing function, he identified the various job positions that are required to fill, that is general manager and accountant, 2 chefs, 2 boys for serving the food in the restaurant and 3 boys for home delivery of food. He decided that his father, Karan, would be the general manager of the restaurant. He would be paid 50,000 rupees per month for his services. His father requested him to appoint his friend's son, Prem, as an accountant who is well qualified for his post. Ganesh agreed to his proposal. Earlier, Prem had a business of providing unskilled workers to different organizations from remote areas of the country. Prem took permission from Ganesh to continue with the old business. Ganesh happily agreed and asked him to provide 5 boys for serving and delivering the food. For the appointment of 2 chefs, Ganesh approached a renowned hotel management institute and was satisfied with the chefs provided by the institute. Right, students? So these are supposed to be the source of recruitment. Right, students? So let's discuss the answer, students. Source of recruitment is पूछा गया that what are the sources of recruitment, right? The source of recruitment is, students, is external source of recruitment. एक्सटर्नल सोर्स ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट के अंदर इसके पॉइंट पूछे गए हैं. द वेरी फर्स्ट इज रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रॉम द केस स्टडी लाइन्स, हिज फादर रिक्वेस्टेड हिम टू अपॉइंट हिज फ्रेंड सन प्रेम एज एन अकाउंटेंट हु इज अ वेल क्वालिफाइड फॉर हिज पोस्ट. उसके फादर ने रिकमेंड किया कि मेरे फ्रेंड के बेटे को काम पे रख लीजिए. तो दिस इज सपोज टू बी द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ एम्प्लॉय, सिफारिश पे रखना. ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज सपोज टू बी द एक्सटर्नल सोर्स ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट. Second one is, students, labor contractor. Earlier, Prem had a business of providing unskilled workers to different organizations from remote areas of the country. Right, student, this is supposed to be the labor contractor. Students, ये labor contractor के अंदर आएगा. Campus recruitment. For the appointment of the 2 chefs, Ganesh approached a renowned hotel management institute. Right, students, and was satisfied with the chefs provided by the institute. So this is supposed to be the external source of recruitment, students, campus recruitment. I hope, students, this case study is very much clear to you. And the B point is, यहाँ पर students लिखा हुआ है क्वेश्चन में, also give the meaning of the function of management discussed in the above case. This is supposed to be the function of staffing, students, right? So staffing, right man, right job, right time, right place, students. This is supposed to be the key function of management. So I hope this case study is very much clear to you, students. So recommendation of employees. Let's discuss, student, this concept. Many firms encourages their employees to recommend the names of their relatives, friends, or employment. Such applicants are likely to be good employees because their background is also known. Then labor contractor, students. Labor contractor keep in touch with the laborers in the village and bring them to the place where workers are needed. On payment of commission, they are ready to supply required number of workers. This is suitable for laborers and unskilled workers. Right, students? So I hope it is very much clear to you. Now, campus recruitment. Colleges and institutes of management and technology have become a popular source of recruitment for technical, professional, and managerial jobs. Many big organizations maintain a close relation with the universities, vocational schools, and management institutes to recruit qualified personnel for various jobs. I hope, students, this case study is now very much clear to you, and you have to define staffing. Now come to the students next case study. Now students, next case study, CBSE 2019, राइट हैंड साइड कॉर्नर पे लिखा हुआ है, और ये 5 मार्क्स की, यानी कि लास्ट ईयर ये केस स्टडी आई भी और ये 5 मार्क्स की है. राइट स्टूडेंट, सो दिस इज सपोज टू बी द 5th केस स्टडी, एंड जस्ट रीड द लास्ट लाइन. State by giving any 5 points how this investment is likely to benefit the organization. Benefit to the organization. Now come to the case study, student. Nisha Sethi was working as a human resource manager in a famous consultancy firm, KLI Global Services. Her job include preparing job description, recruitment, developing compensation and incentives plans, and facilitating employees training. They had entered into alliance with institute to ensure continuous learning of their employees. With the job becoming more and more complex, KLI Global Services invested large amount of money in making the employees learn the skill necessary to complete the job. Now state by giving 5 points how this investment is likely to benefit the organization. That, students, benefit of training to the organization. Right? The answer is benefit of training to the organization, students. You have understood and learned from staffing chapter the benefit of training to the organization. Right, students? So the very first benefit to the training is reduced learning time. Right, students? A trained employee takes less time in learning the job as compared to untrained employee. Higher profits. It increases the productivity both in terms of quantity and quality, leading to higher profits. Developing future managers. Training helps to develop future managers who can manage the enterprise in emergency. Fourth is, students, better performance. The performance of trained employees is better than the performance of always untrained employees. Minimizes supervision. Training increases the efficiency and skill of employees. It minimizes the need of supervision. Of course, students, it is very much clear to you now, students. You have to write down the benefit of training to the organization from notes or from short notes, students. This case study is very much clear to you. Now come to the next case study, students. Now come to the next case study, student. Case study 6. It comes under 2016 students from the right hand side corner and consists of 6 marks. Now A point and B point, name the internal and external source of recruitment used by the Senior Enterprises Limited to fill up the above stated vacancies. I hope students it is very much clear to you. Sources of recruitment के बारे में पूछा गया है. Sources of recruitment आपने एक ही चैप्टर में पढ़ा, that is known as staffing. Also state any one merit of each of the above defined source of recruitment. Right? तो हमें merits और demerits लिखनी है students sources of recruitment की. You know there are two sources of recruitment, internal or external source of recruitment, and from internal and external source of recruitment you have to write the one merits and one demerits of each source of recruitment. So let's discuss the case study, students. Ashish, the marketing head, Raman, the assistant manager, and Jyoti, the human resource manager of Sener Enterprises Limited, decided to leave the company. Right, student? The chief executive officer of the company called Jyoti, the human resource manager, and requested her to fill up the vacancies before leaving the organization. Informing that her subordinates, Miss Alka Pandit, was very competent and trustworthy, Jyoti suggested that if she could be moved up in the hierarchy, she would do the needful. सो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर क्या हुआ, इस केस स्टडी के अंदर 3 लोगों ने जॉब को छोड़ दिया है और उसके बाद स्टूडेंट्स जो जॉब छोड़ रही है HR मैनेजर, उसने रिकमेंड किया है CEO को कि अलका पंडित को मेरी पोस्ट की जगह पर रख सकते हैं आप, और शी इज़ अ ट्रस्टवर्दी और कॉम्पिटेंट एम्प्लॉय. The chief executive officer agreed the same. Miss Alka Pandit contacted Keith recruiters who advertised for the post of marketing head for Senior Enterprises Limited. अब मिस अलका पंडित ने केथ रिक्रूटर्स को एडवर्टाइजमेंट निकालने के लिए बोल दिया है कंपनी की तरफ से. They were able to recruit suitable candidates for the company. Raman's vacancy was filled up, screening the database of unsolicited applicants lying in the office. And students, I hope it is very much clear to you. Name the internal or external source of recruitment used by Sener Enterprises Limited to fill up the above stated vacancies. Also state one merit of each of the above identified source of recruitment. So students, let's discuss the answer. Source of recruitment used to fill up the vacancies are promotion, right students, for human resource manager, क्योंकि ज्योति ने अलका पंडित को रिकमेंड किया था कि उसका प्रमोशन कर दीजिए. कैजुअल कॉलर्स और वेटिंग लिस्ट फॉर असिस्टेंट मैनेजर, जिसकी पोस्ट पर रमन आया हुआ है. प्लेसमेंट एजेंसीज एंड मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टेंट फॉर मार्केटिंग हेड. I hope students this is very much clear to you. So these are supposed to be the external source of recruitment. Now casual callers, in case of reputed organization, many qualified people apply for employment on their own initiative. Such applicants are known as unsolicited applicants or casual callers. They serve as a good source of recruitment. A proper file may be kept of such applicants and the candidates may be called whenever the need arises. Right students? Then promotion. It refers to shifting an employee to a higher position, carrying higher responsibility, prestige, facilities and pay. It is a vertical shifting of employees. Now come to the placement agencies and management consultant for marketing head students. So placement agencies and management consultants. These agencies invite the biodata of a large number of candidates and recommended suitable names of their clients. Such agencies charge fees for their services. Management consultancy firm help the organization to recruit technical, professional and managerial personnel. They specialize in middle level and top level executive placements. Right students, I hope this is very much clear to you. Now come to the merits or demerits of this source of recruitment students. Merits and demerits. One merit of external source of recruitment is that with external recruitment, fresh and new talent come to the organization. Right students, and demerits it, recruitment from outside may cause dissatisfaction and frustration among the existing employees. I hope students this is very much clear to you. Now come to the next case study students. Now students, this is supposed to be the next case study 7. See the right hand side corner, CBSE sample paper 2016 में 2019 में ये दिया हुआ है. It consists of 6 marks. So let's discuss the last line. The company has now undertaken the process of selection to identify and select the best. Explain the first 6 steps involved in this process. I hope students it is very much clear to you now students. इस case study में कुछ नया नहीं है. This case study is simply a case study of a selection process students. और आपको selection process के first 6 steps लिखने हैं. Each step consists of 6 marks. So let's discuss students the case study. A public transport corporation has hired 2000 buses for a different routes for the passengers of metropolitan city. In order to fill vacancies, it advertised in the newspaper and number of applicants applied for the same. The company has now undertaken the process of selection to identify and select the best. Explain the first 6 steps involved in the process. So students, you have to discuss the first 6 steps. The very first step is student preliminary screening. The application form is provided to the candidates on request. It asks for a written record of qualification, experience and other qualities of the candidates. The application blank are properly screened to select the candidates who are to be given the employment test and called for an interview students. Now second is selection test. These tests are being widely used to select persons for various jobs. The following type of tests are given to the candidates. Right students, these are 5 types of tests. The very first is intelligence test student. This is one of the important psychological tests used to measure the level of intelligence of an individual student. Second is aptitude test. This test is conducted to find out the potential of learning new jobs in the candidate, how quickly the candidate can learn new skills and methods of work. C students is personality test. This test is conducted to find out the human behavior of the candidate. This test relates to intelligence, attitude and interest of the candidate. Now the D student is trait test. This test measures the actual skill of an individual. It measures the level of knowledge and proficiency in the area of profession. Then interest test. Fifth test. Interest tests are used to know the interest or involvement of a person for a job. Now students, here these are the 5 types of tests. Now what is the difference between aptitude test and trait test? Right students, aptitude test जो होता है बेटा वो नई स्किल्स के लिए होता है, और जबकि जो ट्रेड टेस्ट होता है स्टूडेंट्स वो प्रेजेंट स्किल्स के लिए होता है. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, सो दीज आर द 5 टेस्ट. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, सो लेट डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक दैट कम्स अंडर the next thing is employment or selection interview. This is supposed to be the main thing student. Interview is a formal in-depth conversation conducting to evaluate the applicant's suitability for the job. Right students, so this is supposed to be the third stage, right? Employing interview, right? The expert asks question from the candidate to test his professional efficiency, students, and knowledge related to job. Interview gives a chance to candidate also to clarify the queries regarding salary, working conditions, posting, etc. Now come to the next students. Next is reference and background check, the fourth. Now in the application form, the candidates is asked to give the names of 2 references. If the candidate qualifies the interview, then the organization prefers to check with the reference about the personal character of the candidates. Right students, reference and background checks, you know it very well कि 2 आपको एड्रेस देने पड़ते हैं जहाँ पर भी आप जॉब करने के लिए जाते हैं. देन कम्स टू द सिलेक्शन डिसीजन, द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. सिलेक्शन डिसीजन के अंदर कैंडिडेट्स को शॉर्टलिस्ट किया जाता है, ऑफ कोर्स स्टूडेंट, राइट. द कैंडिडेट्स हु पास द टेस्ट, इंटरव्यू एंड रेफरेंस चेक्स आर इंक्लूडेड इन सिलेक्शन लिस्ट एंड द मैनेजर सेलेक्ट द मोस्ट सुटेबल फ्रॉम दिस लिस्ट. एंड द नेक्स्ट लास्ट इज मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन, राइट. आफ्टर द सिलेक्शन डिसीजन एंड बिफोर द जॉब ऑफर इज मेड, the candidates is required to undergo a medical fitness test. Some organization appoint their own doctors and some sign the contract with hospital to do the test. I hope students this case study is very much clear to you. Now come to the next case study students. Now the 8th case study students, see the right hand side corner, CBSE sample paper 2018 and it consists of 6 marks. Right students, so first of all इन केस स्टडी ए बी सी पॉइंट पढ़ते हैं हम. नेम द फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट परफॉर्म बाय जिप्रा टू मेंटेन सेटिस्फैक्ट्री वर्कफोर्स. वर्कफोर्स की बात करते हैं तो स्टूडेंट्स स्टाफिंग चैप्टर होता है. आइडेंटिफाई एंड एक्सप्लेन द 2 steps इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ द फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट डिस्कस अबव. ऑफ कोर्स स्टूडेंट्स यू हैव टू राइट द 2 steps. Also state any 2 steps of the function of management discussed that the firm had to perform before the above steps. Right students, और उन्होंने 2 और स्टेप्स पूछे जो कि उस स्टेप्स के बाद आएंगे जो बी पॉइंट में बताए गए हैं. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, सो लेट्स डिस्कस द केस स्टडी. द IT manager Jipra is terminating the employment of its senior manager it after evaluating their performance against the predetermined standard if it is found lacking. With this description, analysts say a large portion of the employees may become irrelevant unless they learn the new skill and apply the knowledge to work on emerging technologies. Jipra is ready to facilitate employees training through its in-house centers. Right students, through its in-house centers. I hope students this is very much clear to you. Now come to the A point. Name the function of management performed by Jipra. Staffing. The 2 steps discussed above are training and development and performance appraisal. Students, I hope students training and development and performance and appraisal is very much clear to you. Right students, so let's discuss training and development. Training is a process by which attitude, skill and abilities of employees to perform specific jobs are increased. It is a process of increasing new skills. Now come to the development. Development refers to the learning opportunities designed to help the employees to grow. It involves growth of an individual in all respect. A performance appraisal to check the performance of a new candidate and of course to check the performance of a old candidate student. It means checking on employees' current and past performance as against certain predetermined standards. Appraisal are used for a variety of purpose relating to training, promotion and compensation. Right students, I hope it is very much clear to you. Now following are the 2 steps in the process of staffing that management has to perform before परफॉर्मिंग द अबव स्टेप्स. अब इससे पहले कौन से 2 स्टेप्स थे स्टूडेंट्स, वो हमें बताने हैं. ट्रेनिंग और डेवलपमेंट और परफॉर्मेंस अप्रेजल से पहले के 2 स्टेप्स हमें फॉलो करने हैं. और तो स्टूडेंट्स उसके पहले के 2 स्टेप्स हैं सिलेक्शन एंड प्लेसमेंट एंड ओरिएंटेशन. सिलेक्शन इज अ नेगेटिव प्रोसेस, यू नो इट वेरी वेल स्टूडेंट्स. सो लेट्स डिस्कस सिलेक्शन. इट इज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ आइडेंटिफाई एंड सेलेक्टिंग द बेस्ट पर्सन आउट ऑफ अ नंबर ऑफ प्रोस्पेक्टिव कैंडिडेट्स हु हैव अप्लाइड फॉर अ जॉब. The selection is done through a process which involves test, interview, etc. It is a negative process. Right students, then come to placement and orientation. After selection, the employee is given appointment letter and is asked to occupy the vacant job position. Placement refers to occupying of post by the candidate for which he is selected. Right student, orientation means, orientation का क्या मतलब होता है? Orientation refers to introduction of new employee to the existing employee and familiarizing him or her with the rules and policies of the organization. I hope students it is very much clear to you students. So let's discuss the next case study students. 9th case study student. This case study consists of 6 marks. So let's discuss the A point and B point students. Name the steps of a staffing process regarding which the company decided to take action. I hope student it is very much clear to you कि staffing की case study है. State the benefit of action to Moga Limited. Right students, benefit of training to Moga Limited. क्या ट्रेनिंग का बेनिफिट है? Right students, so let's discuss the case study. Moga Industries Limited approached a well-established university in the city of Madurai to recruit qualified personnel for various technical and professional jobs. They selected Tanya, Ritu, Garima and Chetan for various vacancies in the organization. After selection and placement, Moga Industries Limited felt the need to increase the skills and abilities and the development of positive attitude of the employees to perform their specific job better. The company also realized the learning new skills would improve the job performance of the employees. Hence, the company decided to take actions for the same students. So, under A, name the step of staffing process regarding which the company decided to take action. B point, state the benefit of action to Moga Industries Limited. Of course students, that it is a case study of training and development. You have to define the term training and development students. So let's discuss training and development students. Training may be defined as the steps for increasing the knowledge and skills of workers for a definite purpose. The workers are provided facilities to learn new skills, technical knowledge and attitude towards the work. The basic purpose of training is to bring about a change in the behavior of the workers. It is concerned with increasing skills in doing a specific job. Now, what do you mean by the term development? It is concerned with the growth of an employee in all respect. It is a process by which managers acquire skill and competency in their present job and also capabilities for the future job. Right, students, training is for the present period and development is for the future period. Students, I hope it is very much clear to you. Now, what are the benefits of training, students? The benefits of training, let's discuss the benefit of training, students. So these are the benefits of training. Right, students, reduce learning time. A trained employee takes less time in learning the job as compared to untrained employees. Higher profit. It increases the productivity both in terms of quantity and quality, leading to higher profits. Develop future managers, students. Training help to develop future managers who can manage the enterprise in case of emergency. Better performance, students. The performance of trained employee is also better and always better than the performance of untrained employee. Then minimizing supervision. Training increasing the efficiency and skill of the employee. It minimizes the need of the supervision. I hope, students, it is very much clear to you. So these are the benefits of training given to the employees. Now, what are the benefits of training to employees, students? These are the benefits to the organization. Then come to the benefit of employees, students. Better career, more earning, more efficient, increase morale, essential for new employees. Right, students, these are the benefits to the employees. As you know, students, there are two methods of training: on the job training and off the job training. Students, on the job training you are learning while you are earning, and off the job training means you are learning while you are away from the actual workplace. Right, students, so training is related to present period and development is related to future period. Training is job oriented and development is career oriented. Now, students, I hope this case study is very much clear to you, students, and here comes the end of the chapter staffing. I have discussed all the case studies. I have discussed all the revision videos, students. So be prepared and learn the case studies to students and learn the videos. And if you find any difficulty, you can ask me anytime. Learn from the videos and do prepare the notes, students, from PPT. You can easily understand the exercises also of staffing chapter. And if you find any difficulty, you can ask me anytime. Thank you, students.